Hi, welcome back. I have no idea. I knew that was about to happen. I feel like we actually have like so much to catch you guys up on because we haven't really showed you much of the apartment yet since we've moved in, since we got our couch, all that stuff. So I'm definitely gonna do an update vlog, but I hope you guys are following us on Instagram if you want to stay updated in real time, because that's where we post the most. So if you want to, we're over there. That's probably the quickest way to actually stay up to date with us, but I'm glad you guys are here. I think the last thing that I recorded was just a quick clip of us putting up the curtains. Just need to document this because we're finally putting up curtains. Before. Wish us luck. So let me show you what they look like. They turned out so good. Okay, you wanna come show them? You wanna come show them the curtains? You wanna show them the curtains? Okay, let's do it. I literally cannot with him. He's just as perfect as the day we brought him home. Actually, he's better. We both agree he's better. Okay, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. How stunning. It's overcast, super overcast today. Last week, yesterday was gorgeous, but the other days before that, overcast and rainy. Today, actual rain, not just misty, not just overcast, actual rain all day long almost. So really strange, probably one of the only times that it's rained consistently. So that's why it's a little bit dark in here when I have the camera facing the other way, but these are the curtains. I'll link them below. I had them linked on Instagram too, I think, but I'll put them in the description. They're really good. They're linen and it's the color, I think, just natural, but the actual texture and flow is stunning, and I just threw them in the dryer for a few minutes each before we hung them up. Took all the wrinkles out. Yeah, they're gorgeous. And they're Amazon, so they're super affordable. I think I have 6 panels, 3 on this side, 3 on this side. I hadn't really decided if I'm going to do one more right here, and then, I don't know. But it's kind of nice being able to have the light come in all the time, and I don't want to keep any light from coming in, so we might just leave it as is, because I do like the look of it anyways with the opening here. But, excuse me, sir. You're the cutest thing I ever saw. You're the cutest thing I ever saw, sweet one. I mean, how do you do when that's the little face that you look at all day long? How do I say no to you? I can't. I can't. Okay, so tree, obviously, still obsessed. But those are the curtains. Wanted to show you really quick. Most of this stuff, honestly, whatever, like I said, not trying to get ahead of myself. Today is about Christmassy things, and then I'll do a house tour another day. But we're gonna make Christmas cookies tonight. So I wrapped up work a few minutes ago, and I'm going to go pick up Christian from work. He'll be done in about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna run to the grocery store to get all the stuff for cookies. Since it's so gray and overcast, we're like, it's a cozy day to stay inside and make Christmas cookies. We might work out right when we get back, go to the gym really quick, and then start our cookies. So that's the plan for tonight. You like that plan?
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs of stopping. And I brought...
Who is that? Who is that over there?
Is that Bubba?
Is that a root boy? Oh, big stretch. Big stretch.
Hey,
Hi.
buddy. Wow.
Hi, Nugget. We miss you. Oh, whoa.
A little teddy bear.
Goodness. Oh my goodness, we missed you. Yeah, everything is secured. even the sea salt flakes. So unloading all the grocery stuff. I'm making, normally I do Russian tea cakes, which are like my favorite Christmas cookie, but I just felt like switching it up. So I'm doing the half-baked Harvest slice and bake chocolate covered peanut butter cookies. I'll show you what they're supposed to look like. Mine will not look like this probably, but the ingredients down here. I'm doing milk chocolate, and then I think I'm gonna drizzle white chocolate on top just for a little cuteness. Let's see what else. Christian is, you can probably hear in the background, he's playing, I guess, Fortnite. I'm not sure. Apparently something new came out. All the boys are on, so he's playing with the time change. It's like a little tricks, but he said, fine, you play. We will make cookies after. So even though it's almost pitch black, it's not even 5 o'clock yet. So I also got some Amazon boxes. I think this is shampoo for Rue. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so this is his shampoo. I'm gonna try it on him. See if it will kind of like help his curls be shiny and detangle. Yeah, this is for you, buddy. Apparently this brand is like what show dogs use. So we'll give that a try. Just oil him. So I guess my command strips did come in. Put it in a bowl.
Yeah.
Here's the issue, we only have one bowl.
I know. I literally just thought about that too.
Yeah, because half of our stuff is still in North Carolina. Half of our kitchen stuff.
Where's the other, like medium?
The medium bowl is in here, so we could wash it, and then we could have at least 2 bowls. Polar Express on the TV.
Love would have to be bigger than an ocean miner.
You like when Mama sings to you? Yeah, you like when Mama sings to you? I see that tail wagging. Hey, baby. Oh my gosh, I love you.
Show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping. Lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. Oh, the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbye.
What?
Night on town. You gotta love it.
Going to one of our favorite places, Caruth Cellars.
We're actually wine members here.
Wine club members.
I know.
So
It's
fancy.
an official Cali thing. I guess.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Or something a little bit heavier.
Well, I mean, I did tell you it was gonna be 40 degrees, but
Well, you were right.
yeah. That's well done, but
So it's kind of strange, but it's actually cold here in San Diego.
freezing. I ordered this off of Old Navy, which it's not my favorite, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, but it's the warmest thing I have, so I have to use it tonight. So.
I feel really dumb because all I wore is just a jean jacket. And I'm kind of freezing right now, but it is what it is.
It is what it is.
She said, she told me, and
Yeah,
it is what
that
it
was
is.
my face. I was like, I told you.
But I was like, you know, I can take it. I'm a man, but I'm an idiot. It's just like our schedule for
Oh
we used to
yeah,
make schedules
this
for-
was what we did. I will share this because this is actually fun. I made literally a whole month schedule day by day
This is what you
for the
have to
month
do
of December.
when your parents live, when your spouse's parents live within 10 minutes.
Yeah, our
Yes.
moms lived about 10 minutes from each other.
And both are type A.
So, I wouldn't even say my mom's type A, but you would?
100%.
Really?
Yes.
And he was like,
Not as type A as my mom.
Yeah.
My mom's ultra, like,
Anyway, so I made this whole calendar. I literally made it myself, and then each day that we were home over a week, maybe even 2 weeks. 2 weeks in Charlotte. Anyways, each day I specifically said exactly where we were staying that night, like whether it was at his parents or my mom, what we were doing, what activity we were doing that day, and who we were doing it with. Like literally as detailed as I could possibly
we learned
get.
the hard way because we didn't think we needed to do that for the first 2 years.
Right.
Third year and on,
I realized they need a schedule so that they know what we're doing so that we don't get booked up by one mom or the other, and that feels fair, trying to make sure they both feel equally loved. But they both rejected my calendar, literally ignored it, would continue to ask me, well, what are you guys doing on the 23rd? And I would always direct them back to the calendar because I said, it's on the calendar, did you look at the calendar? Have you referenced the calendar?
at all.
And they'd be like, oh, I forgot, I'll go back and look. I'm like,
It's almost like they didn't believe in the calendar. They didn't want to.
they were purposely trying to reject it and deny
reject
it.
it, make the calendar more flexible.
They were
and actually-
rebelling against the calendar.
Yeah.
I tried. I said, I don't know what else I can do. I literally made it.
You're strong.
I was strong,
You're
and
strong.
I said, refer to the calendar about our schedule. Are we free? I don't know. I can't tell you. The calendar can tell you. Okay. We are going to the holiday markets tonight, so we will catch back up with you once we're there. Okay, we're having a discussion, so I pulled the camera back out because I saw this TikTok and I saved it because I'm like, maybe Christian could have his hair like this.
Start off by correctly defining what the flow is. It is not just super long hair, it's actually medium length hair with a ton of texture in it.
So I said, I wonder if you could do that, and we're just not sure because his hair is a lot like tighter curls, but it's also short, you know, it's short right now where it does puff up, but if it was longer, like,
Flip up the thing.
okay, oh yeah, sorry. Like, I don't, it's like you look like a different vibe. It's crazy how that does that. Don't you think?
What kind of vibe do I look like?
Oh, like a Hallmark vibe.
Oh really? Oh, I do have the.
I know
the
what
scarf, yeah. Come here, let me play with your your daughter. I'm so good with kids.
But you know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
because this guy's like, okay, so he's like, brush your hair back with your hands. No, like, you have to do it on both sides like the guy did. Yeah, because he kind of has a part where you have to brush this side to this side and this side to this side. See what I'm saying?
Man,
Like, you kind of would need
been
a
doing it
part.
wrong for years.
Now brush it back with your hands. No, both hands.
Oh.
Leave the part is what I'm saying.
Right. Well, it's
No.
hard for me to tell where the part is. Is it right here?
No,
Where is it? I don't
it's in the middle of your head. Yeah. It's a different vibe. I don't know.
No.
Wait, look to the
I feel like
side.
I-
Let's see.
I look like a duke.
If your
Crap.
hair was like long on the side. Seriously, you have such good hair. I mean, you look handsome though. You look like
Yeah.
Ralph Lauren commercial.
Nice.
But it's definitely a different vibe than, like, obviously we've grown up with her short hair. Only the last couple of years.
I know.
Did he
Literally, yeah. 2019.
grow it?
Like right before COVID.
Yeah, you finally grew it out and I was like, oh, this is amazing. The top is growing out long, sides are short. That's like your best haircut since I've known you.
Which one now? The first one I
Like
got?
the one we're doing now.
Oh yeah. And who's cutting my hair?
We're gonna think about it, but it might be fun to try.
Yeah, maybe.
It's just she has such good hair.
I feel
hate
like-
cutting it off.
Put gel in this and everything. I might look like very sleazy.
Oh, he doesn't look like that at all.
Yeah, I know, but he has really good hair.
So do you. It's like body dysmorphia, but he has hair dysmorphia. Where I'll look at a picture and be like, I look terrible.
How dare you say that?
I know, but you look at a picture and be like, oh, my hair, and I'm like, how dare you say that? It's dysmorphia.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face.
That's cutie. You see it's on me? So you can see. Wait, come get in the snow. I actually really appreciate that it's fake snow. It's not cold, cold out here. It looks like real snow, babe. Soapy snow. That's so cute. They have literally at every light, they have snow coming down.
Wow, look
at this. Everyone's gathering around the fire. Chestnuts roasting like a hot July. I should be chilling with my folks, I know.
All right, operation. Add some more greenery to our console right there. I've had this and these just sitting here for days, and these I feel like are gonna be too dry to even like finagle the way that I want. I don't understand how I'm running out of time to do everything. I'm like, it's just the two of us and this little one. Oh, just this little one. But we've packed our schedules in just doing all fun things and saying yes to all of doing stuff with our new friends, which has been so fun and sweet. I've got oranges dehydrating in there. Okay, let's get started on this.
Christmas time is here. Happiness and cheer. Fun for all.
Just adds like an extra layer of texture. So pretty. And obviously smells amazing. The other bouquets that I got, it needs more. Especially this side, because this side was already more full, and so I was gonna kind of even it out on this side. But they're too dry now to use because I waited too long. Even these were like a little bit probably too late. Maybe tomorrow, or I need to figure out what I'm doing over here too. Oh shoot. I know. Okay. A second. Oh, these are hella fresh. I'll get more the next couple days, and I'll make sure I do it immediately to add it in. That way it dries with the garland hanging the way it should. And then I'll be able to add my orange garland in front, which should be really cute. What else? Oh yeah, we put the wreath right here. Isn't that cute? Oh wait, and that reminds me, okay, this is the other thing that I've been waiting to do. I got command hooks to hang stockings. Since we don't have our stockings here, I got these cute little ones from Target. Okay, I got 2 of them up so far. Honestly, I'm just taping them to the back of the doors. Let's see if I can get this one to look even. Excuse me. Okay, is that even? I'll move this one over a little bit, because if I slide it over just a little bit. He wants to cuddle so bad right now. He's just like, keeps trying to get in my lap. And I want to cuddle you too, but mom is busy. I don't know. I don't know if that was what I was going for. I was thinking them closer together. Well, from here looks cute. Maybe I'll wait and ask Christian.
Of love and dreams to share.